Today we're taking a look at the WeatherTech seat protector for those rear bench seats. So they do come in 3 different colors. They come in this tan color, a charcoal option, and a gray option is also available. These are going to defend against those daily wear, stains, and pet scratches that happen in your rear. They're made of a durable, water-repellent fabric with nylon lining. They're secure, semi-universal fit, universal all bench seats. It's also machine washable. So let's take a look at the install process and what else it features. Upon first unrolling your seat protector, you'll notice that the bottom has grippy side to it. This is to protect from skidding and slipping. You will then want to lift the upwards half up and grab the elastic strap around the headrest. If your vehicle is not equipped with the child safety latches, you can separate the hook and loop attachments around your headrest for security. The WeatherTech Bench Seat Protector also features a foam attachment which you're going to want to stick between the seat cushion and the seat back. To access the seatbelt buckles, separate the Velcro on the seat cushion portion, then pull the seatbelt buckles through, securing the Velcro closures around the buckles. Finish the installation by pulling the bottom portion of the seat protector around the seat bottom, draping it from the seat to the floor. You can now load up your travel buddies and hit the road with ease of mind that your leather seats are protected from scratches and water.